Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your mobile number in Bigo Live. Open the Bigo Live and click on Me in the bottom right hand corner. Go to Settings on the top corner, click on Account Management, click on Phone and click on Change Phone Number. Now, click on Send and a verification code will be sent in your current phone number. After keeping it, you can remove this number and add a new number. After you're done adding the new number, click on the Send button and an OTP code will appear. Copy the OTP code and press here and you're all done. You have successfully changed your number in Bigo Live. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to our channel and do hit the bell button for more. I hope to see you in the next video. Until then, goodbye, take care and enjoy.